Makeup can enhance your beauty, but true confidence comes from looking and feeling great naturally. Here are 30 tips to glow without makeup. Step 1. Skincare is key. Tip 1. Cleanse your face twice a day to remove dirt and oil. Tip 2. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week to keep skin smooth. Tip 3. Use a hydrating toner to balance your skin's pH. Tip 4. Moisturize daily to keep your skin hydrated and plump. Tip 5. Apply sunscreen daily to protect from UV damage. Tip 6. Incorporate serums with vitamin C for a natural glow. Use a face mask once a week for extra care, e.g. clay mask for oily skin. Step 2. Hydration and diet. Tip 8. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily for hydrated skin. Tip 9. Eat foods rich in vitamins, e.g. oranges, carrots, and leafy greens. Tip 10. Incorporate healthy fats like avocado and nuts for glowing skin. Tip 11. Reduce sugar and processed foods to avoid breakouts. Tip 12. Sip green tea for antioxidants that improve skin health. Tip 13. Add collagen-rich foods to your diet for firm skin. 3. Grooming and hygiene. Tip 14. Keep your eyebrows well-groomed for a polished look. Tip 15. Curl your lashes for a natural eye brightening effect. Tip 16. Exfoliate your lips and apply a lip balm for soft, plump lips. Tip 17. Keep your teeth clean and white for a radiant smile. Tip 18. Trim and care for your nails to maintain a neat appearance. 4. Hair care and styling. Tip 19. Keep your hair clean and well-conditioned for a healthy shine. Tip 20. Try natural oils like argan or coconut oil for hair health. Tip 21. Choose hairstyles that complement your face shape. Tip 22. Avoid overstyling or heat tools to maintain healthy hair. Tip 23. Use silk pillowcases to reduce frizz and promote smoother hair. Step 5. Lifestyle habits. Tip 24. Get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep for refreshed skin. Tip 25. Exercise regularly to improve blood circulation and skin glow. Tip 26. Practice good posture to look confident and elegant. Tip 27. Reduce stress with mindfulness or meditation to prevent dull skin. Step 6. Boosting natural features. Tip 28. Apply a natural rose water mist for a dewy look. Tip 29. Gently massage your face to improve circulation and firmness. Tip 30. Smile. A confident, happy face is always beautiful. Looking good without makeup is all about caring for your natural beauty and embracing your true self. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more self-care advice.